Namaste. So this is another variation of the Bhramari Pranayama. I already shared an earlier video which was just a basic. So this is another variation with 3 sounds, very meditative, and also it serves as a pranayama. So it's like a 2-in-1 practice. It's very good for people struggling with insomnia. It also reduces stress, calms the mind, and gives a nice peaceful sleep if you do it before sleeping, just about 5 minutes. Or to give a good start to your day, you can even do this in the early hours of your morning. So you can, I've already shared also Om meditation video, so you can just alternate each day, just spending 5 minutes. So let's begin. I'm in Vajrasana. You can either be seated on the chair or you can get into Sukhasana. I also get into full lotus. You can also get into half lotus pose. So there are 3 variations. So I bring my palms on top of my head. So it's a high pitch sound, then a medium pitch, and then a low pitch. So you can actually feel the vibrations. You can close your eyes, be comfortable. Inhale. Breathe in. One more round. To get into the next pitch, the regular Bhramari Pranayama, please change the mudra, closing your ears and just covering your eyes with the 4 fingers. As you can see, my index finger is over my eyes, middle and ring finger above my nostril, and little finger below the mouth. Thumbs closing the ears. Breathe in. Take a breather. Get your hands in Chin Mudra as we chant the last variation. 3 rounds, low pitch. Thumb touching the index finger on your knees. Half a minute, Shanti Dhyan, recollecting the vibrations of all the pitches you chanted. Gently rub your palms, keeping your eyes still closed. And gently cup your eyes, enjoying the massage of your palms on your closed eyelids. Keeping your eyes still closed, gently get it like an open book near your chest as you blink open your eyes. Thank you. Namaste. So Bhramar is a black bumblebee, and that's how this pranayama has come about. This was just another variation so that you have more alternatives to practice daily. So I've been taught by Yoga Bharati San Jose in California when I got trained there. Hope you enjoyed this practice, and do like my video, and if you have any questions you can email me. I have already put my email ID, and do leave a comment if you liked it. Thank you. Namaste.